Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about microscope. A microscope is a costly and sensitive instrument which is used to observe things in laboratory. All the living and dead organisms, cells and tissues which cannot be seen by the naked eyes can be seen with the help of microscope. Without a microscope, we cannot imagine the study of any minute things. So it is very important instrument in every laboratory. There are three types of microscope, that is simple microscope, dissecting microscope and compound microscope. So a simple microscope is just like a hand lens which is made up of a convex lens which may be biconvex or double convex lens. So we are studying about this. The simple microscope has a single lens system. It is based on the principle that when an object is placed between a convex lens and its principal focus, an enlarged virtual image is formed. The eye can focus to this so that it can give a bigger image on the retina, which can be given by unaided eye. The brain can therefore distinguish more details about it. The simple microscope consists of a double convex lens or a biconvex lens mounted on a handle. Ordinarily, it magnifies things up to 4 to 5 times depending upon magnifying power of the lens. It can be of 3x, 4x and 5x, etc. It is called magnifying glass of a hand lens or reading glass. Compound microscope is the most commonly used microscope in the biology laboratory. The microscope is built around a strong basal foot and a vertical limb. It has a square stage that is fixed to the limb, which provide a clip to hold the slide in position. There is a movable concave mirror fixed at the lowermost part of the limb so that it could focus a converging cone rays at the specimen. The body of the microscope consists of a tube. At the upper end of the tube is an ocular lens which can be changed for a lower or higher values of magnification. At the lower end of its tube is a revolving nosepiece with 3 object lens, that is have a high power, a low power and an oval immersion. The magnification ranges from 10x to 100x. The magnification power of a microscope can be calculated by multiplying the power of an eyepiece and objective lens. That is, the tube of the microscope is vertically movable with the help of a coarse and fine adjustment screws on the limb. This is a simple microscope. We can see the diagram of a simple microscope on this page. It is made up of biconvex lens. In the last there is a handle, and in the corners of the biconvex lens there is a frame for holding the lens. It shows an enlarged image of an object so that our eyes could magnify the image and can observe the object. After it, there is a dissecting microscope. So dissecting microscope is used to magnify small animals or to see large sections of an object. When we are performing dissections of small animals, for example frog and mouse, when we have to do dissection of these animals, a dissecting microscope is needed so that we could observe the enlarged image of the object. A dissecting microscope consists of foot, stand, vertical limb, folded arm, simple convex lens, glass stage, reflecting mirror, clips, adjustment screw. The folded arm has a lens. In the upper image we can see that there is a folded arm which has a lens which turns image of an object which is to be seen. This is a simple microscope. This is different parts of the simple microscope. This is handle, this is biconvex lens, and this is frame for holding lens. So first of all, we will know about compound microscope. What is compound microscope? Compound microscope is an instrument which is used to observe the enlarged image of an object. There are two types of lenses, that are objective lens and ocular lenses. Now we will discuss about the various mechanical parts of this microscope. So let's just learn about this. This is the stage. This is the pillar. This is the inclination point. This is fine adjustment screw. This is coarse adjustment screw. This is body tube. This is eyepiece. This is revolving neck piece. This is high power objective lens. This is low power objective lens. This is a stage. This is clip. This is iris. Here it is iris. Iris diaphragm lever. Here it is iris diaphragm. Here is the mirror. How we will adjust a microscope? So first of all, we will clean this microscope with a cotton cloth. Then we will move the objective lens. This objective lens. We will move this objective lens and set it to the right side with the help of fine adjustment and coarse adjustment screw. With the help of coarse adjustment screw, first of all, not now, with the fine adjustment. Then we will keep a slide over the stage. We will keep it. We will adjust the mirror so that the proper light should come here. Then we will put the light here, and then after that we will move our coarse adjustment screw so that we can get the finer view of this slide. Then after getting the finer view of this slide in the microscope, in the eyepiece, we will move this fine adjustment screw for a better clear view. Now the slide and the object which we want to view is focused here, and this microscope is ready to be viewed by you. Thank you. We are now discussing about dissecting microscope. This is a dissecting microscope. All of you can see this. This is the lens. This is the folded arm. This one is the vertical limb. This is the stage. This is the adjustment screw. This is the mirror. This one is the foot. Here is the clip. Here is the clip, and here is the stage where we keep our specimen to observe. These all were the different mechanical parts of the dissecting microscope.